Welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn how can we connect our new sub goal on the goal of the Asana app. So let's get started. Once you open the Asana app, you will get this page. Here you have to click on the goals option on the left side and you can see your goals that you have created. Click on the goal and here you can see an option of connect a sub goal. Click on this and you have created a new sub goal and create goal called this one, and you have to add a goal owner. You can also change the time period if you want. You can just click on the privacy option and choose for public or private here. You can also add members if you want. Click on edit any option and you can see parent goal is the goal that you have created as a parent goal. So now you have to choose any update method. You can click on automatically calculate progress from sub goals or projects, or update progress manually. So choose any option and you can just progress source. You can also choose this. You can click on sub goals or projects that you want. Choose any option. You can also choose the measurement option and click on the save goal. So here you can see your new sub goal has been added here with the parent goal. So this is how you can add or connect a sub goal with the parent goal on the Asana app. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.